Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this session, we will discuss a previous CAT question, a question on averages. Here comes the question. Can you please make an attempt and then continue watching this? Right. A CAT aspirant appears for a certain number of tests. His average score increases by 1 if the first 10 tests are not considered, decreases by 1 if the last 10 tests are not considered. If his average score for the first 10 and last 10 tests are 20 and 30 respectively, then the total number of tests taken by him is good. Now, let us assume the number of tests is n and the original average is a. So, the original sum is going to be n into a NA. Now, when the first 10 tests are not considered, for the first 10 tests the average is 20, that means the sum is 200. So, the remaining tests will, when I don't consider the first 10 tests, the remaining will be n minus 10 tests. The sum is going to be NA minus 200. But here the average is going to be increasing by 1 means, if the original average is A, now the new average is A plus 1. That means for this n minus 10 tests, the average is A plus 1, but the sum is NA minus 200 means the equation we can write is n minus 10 into A plus 1 equals to NA minus 200. If I multiply this NA minus 10A plus N minus 10 equals to NA minus 200. You can see NA both sides you can cancel. What we have here is N minus 10A equals to, this minus 10 comes this side, plus 10. So minus 200 plus 10 is minus 190. This is one equation. Let it be there. Now, if the last 10 tests are not considered, the average decreases by 1. What is the last 10 tests average? 30. If last 10 tests average is 30 means the total is 300. From this n test, if I remove the last 10 tests, the remaining test will be n minus 10. The sum originally is NA. Now I am removing this 300 means it is NA minus 300. But now the average is how much? The average decreases by 1. Original average A means now it is A minus 1. So now the second equation we can write is the number of tests into the average should give you the total. N minus 10 into A minus 1 equals to NA minus 300 means again if I multiply NA minus 10A minus N plus 10 equals to NA minus 300. If you see here, NA gets cancelled. If you take minus common, 10A plus N equals to, this 10 goes other side, minus 310. So, minus gets cancelled. We have N plus 10A equals to 310. If we add both, 2N equals to 190 plus, minus 190 plus 310 is 120, or N equals to 60. What is N we assumed? Number of tests we assumed. So number of tests is 60. Our answer is 60. Right? Thank you.